After clicking on the Eventbrite link for the service you'd like to attend, you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Here, you'll find information about the event, including whether masks are required or suggested at that particular service. Please be aware that seating is available based on current physical distancing recommendations. Once there, you'll want to click on the green Register button on the right side of your screen. This will take you to a new screen which offers you 2 ways to register. I am going to walk you through picking your seats by viewing the map. Click on the Buy on Map button at the bottom right of your screen. A map of our church sanctuary seating will pop up. The green dots indicate current available seating. These pews are for families of 1 to 8 people. The blue dots at the back of the church are for families of 16 to 18 people. The gray dots are not available for reservation. You may now choose the number of seats you need for your family. Once that is complete, you'll want to click on the orange checkout button at the bottom of your screen. We are constantly monitoring reservations. We will hold seats next to your reservations to ensure physical distancing recommendations are followed. On this page, you'll enter your first and last name and an email address. You'll receive a confirmation email for your reserved seats. You may choose to opt in or out of Eventbrite offers here. Click on the orange Register button at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! Your registration is complete. From here, you may view your tickets or exit out of the browser. If you click on View Your Tickets and you do not have an account with Eventbrite, you'll be asked to verify your email. Click on the Verify Your Email button. Once you open your email, click on the orange Verify Your Email Address button. You will be directed to the Eventbrite website where you'll be able to view your tickets and access your Eventbrite account. To view, edit, or cancel your reservations, click on the worship service picture. It's important to note that you do not need to print your tickets. We will have a print-off of everyone's reservations. You may cancel your order or contact us. Cancel your order if you are no longer able to make it to the service so that the seats may become available to others. As mentioned before, you will receive a confirmation email with the details about the service after reserving your seats. You do not need to download the Eventbrite app or print off tickets. From this email, you may view event details and your order summary. If you click on the blue order number link, it will take you to your reservations. From here, you can view or cancel your order or contact us for help.